Today I'll be doing some sampling from new places, gold mine. I got some few rocks and I want to do the testing. Here we collected some special places. This is like a lot of pirates. I want to do the test of this, and I got this rock, I crush it here, I see something inside. So I want to see what we have in this. I'll be crushing this little piece and do the test too. So today those two. Everything else we do next time. It depends what we get of these rocks. So rocks is like similar to gold ore. And I look in a microscope and it looks like I see there's some kind of little pieces of gold, but after seeing so much pirates, I don't know this is the gold or pirates. So I be crushing this little piece and we do the test. Okay, so this is already crushed. You just need to transfer to the beaker. I already wanted to do it in the before, but I decided to show you everything. This is a sample from the gold mine, what you saw in the video, and it's like a very little, few places, just a test to see. This is from another mine. In that mine it's mostly quartz, so this is more potential in this rock, so I'll be doing that. This is just a sample of pirates. So much pirates. I never see that much pirates. So this is a pirate. I don't think so it's have gold, but later on we do the test too. But today we just do those two tests, this rock and sample what I got it. So let's see guys. I'm putting some chemicals, so I'll be crushing this right now and we will see what we get. Do we have the gold or not? If we see at least little signs of gold, then we continue, and when we get little bit better weather, we do a lot of work in those gold mines. You see Lars have like 3 gold mines, so imagine how much work is there. But right now it's the rainy season. All those gold mines is flooded with the water. It's very hard to walk. There's like 1 foot of water everywhere, so mud, cold and wet. So right now we just little play with little amount of rocks what we can get. We get access to them, and as soon as a little bit gets warmer, drier, we go inside the mines and start sampling. We'll be sampling every possible place till we found the gold. Okay, so stay with me and watch and enjoy if you liked my videos. Okay guys, so right now I'm starting work. Let's watch. Little piece what here was in this rock, and right now I be in there adding hydrochloric acid, and here was pirates rocks, suspicious place. So we will see what we have. Adding hydrochloric acid just to cover that sand, a little bit more, and I'm putting on the heater. Maybe do right away, do 2 tests in one time, and after when it gets hot, I put potassium nitrate inside this, and we will see what's happening. Okay, hydrochloric acid is already boiling and dissolving all iron and all useless metals. Then after I wash with the water, and this is pyrite, already looks like done everything, so I need to wash with water and put the aqua rich here, and we'll see what we get from those two. Okay, I go right now wash it everything with the water. So I wash with the water all those, and I look with microscope in the bottom. It's full of gold looking pyrite. So it's very hard to say this is a gold or this is a pyrite in this bottom, and both have the same amount of pirates and it looks like gold or something. You see all that black stuff is a pirates. So our thing is to do the test and see, do we have gold with those pirates? So right now I wash it all with the water, everything. First I clean it with the hydrochloric acid, and right now I be adding aqua regia and see, do we have something. But I never see that much pirates, so we'll see. And that pirates looks like a gold. Looks like a gold, shines like a gold, yellow. Let me make it bigger. Maybe you can see the same thing. And see how much pirates? And they all looks like yellow like a gold too. So very interesting what we have here. So both the same thing. You see that so many shiny things, it's all pirates. And I need to find out, do we have gold in that pirate? So I'll be right now putting aqua regia and start my testing. Okay, I put minimum amounts. I put minimum amounts of hydrochloric acid, minimum amounts of everything. That way we not waste a lot of chemicals and everything else. Okay, so I putting some potassium nitrate. I'm putting a minimum amount because we don't need a lot. This is very little amount of pirates and everything, maybe a little bit more in this one, and adding hydrochloric acid just to cover this, and putting on the heaters. Okay, and we'll see what we have. Okay, and I did some, there was another this metal on the table, so I did little test, and but I didn't see nothing in here. But I do the test a little bit later. Maybe it's not even finished yet. I need to put on the heater. Okay, so let's get hot. Solution getting hot. Need a little mix. This is in a few minutes. Nitric kicks in and starts dissolving all those pirates. And this is old one already working. So this is we putting away. This is not in that work today, and we'll see what's happened. Right now you see there's bubbling, something going on. This means pirates dissolving and solution getting yellow. I wish they're gold. Then we be very happy, because I never see that much pirates in my life. You go there, all walls covered in pirates. It just shines like gold. You can't even imagine what kind of sensation you get. So see something new all the time. And right now I do some little tests. It looks like simple rock, didn't see any pirates, but in this place, that thing is full of pirates. Right now they started dissolving. You see, this is on the surface already. I see the sulfur. This means pirates already destroyed, and all what is in that pirates goes to solution. If there is gold, gold be dissolved, it goes to solution, and everything the same thing is here. And we'll see. It's getting hot. Need to make a less temperature. I don't want smoke of poison gases. I still have a lot of work. I don't need to die. Okay, guys. So okay, let him work till stops that reaction going, because right now it's just started, so everything boils and smokes and everything else. So we need to have like 10-15 minutes, let him work, and then we continue testing. Okay, so it's not stopping. It means more pirates. I think the solution is getting depleted. I need to take this out and add another one, new one. So it's not even getting dry, you see. Let's see, do we have some, do we have at least signs of gold first, okay? And then I wash again everything. If we don't have it, start adding more solution, because always in chemical reactions, first dissolves easy material, and gold always dissolves last one. So now need to do the test, and I don't know, we'll see what we do next. So I put in stannous chloride in this, and we'll see what we get result. This is first sample is from this bottle, second sample is from this rock, from this part, okay? And this part have you don't see any pyrites, but there looks like a gold. And when I crush it, then I saw a lot of pyrites in the bottom. It's still, they're not all not dissolved. So let's go to testing. I put in stannous chloride. 1, 2, 3. Nothing, guys. This is from this bottle. Don't have nothing. And this is from this rock. Let's see how this works. 1, 2, 3. What I can say, this contains some gold, okay? But I think that different metal is a silver or something. I see the like a gray something. So you see how different? This was pyrites and this was pyrites. But here we have some kind of value. So right now, this material from this little bottle I throwing away. It's no point even continue working. This one, I take all this solution and put in small my testing tubes. I add in some water because everything dry out, and transfer to one of those testing tubes. And now I go wash this material and throw away this one material. This don't have nothing, you see, different, don't have nothing. So I go wash it everything and continue dissolving, because I see on the bottom some kind of yellow stuff. So we need to find out what is that yellow, because gold always dissolves last one. First all irons and all active metals, and a last one who dissolves is a gold. So right now I washing everything and start over. I wash this material with the water, and on the bottom I see a lot of gold looking pyrites, but looks like gold. So I be continue putting aqua regia and continue working till it's all this gold looking material be dissolved. So it looks like gold, but who knows. But sign, you see, test results is something have something. So right now I put in the beakers, let him settle down all this thing, and we put stannous chloride and see what we get from this. Okay, here I put in hydrochloric acid. I put in some potassium nitrate, and we do the test. Okay, and right now I put in little bit more potassium nitrate because I want to finish everything in one time, and putting more hydrochloric acid, and and back on the heater. Okay, solution getting hot, already started bubbling, and I will see what we have. Right now I add little bit more hydrochloric acid and nitric potassium nitrate, and this is that rock which one we got from another gold mine, and we'll see what we get. But I saw a lot of pyrites in this rock too, and we saw results, little bit promising results on this rock, and especially I think this is brown spot where the gold is, gives us positive results, and wish everything is be okay. And right now it's getting hot, the solution getting more yellow, green yellow. We'll see what we got. Okay, need to wait till everything dissolves. Still need to get hot. Right now I put a maximum heat to start dissolving all those leftover pyrites and maybe the gold. And right now we'll be working with those tubes. I'm transferring this, we see how much debris on the bottom settles down. I wait for another 2 minutes, and then I transfer all material to another beaker, then a beaker or test tube, and we put urea and stannous chloride, and we will see what we get. Okay, so we need to wait for another few minutes. So I try transferring all material to another beaker, this clean one, to another beaker, clean one, and continue with the testing. Okay, we don't need those debris because I need to get some kind of stuff from this material, and all nitric started working. This is getting hot, and right now in this one I'll be adding some urea and killing nitric if there is some, because I think it's all work out, but I do procedure to kill the nitric, because another way you get false alarm, like false results. I'm not filtrating nothing, it's not so clean, it's okay. If it gets dark, we get some settlement on the bottom, and then I can dissolve everything, and then we get clean solution. Okay, so now still working, it's on the bottom still urea. Okay, dissolve everything what we can, and I be adding right now stannous chloride to see what's happened here. And solution slowly changing the color, and I see purple. That is means, what that means? You know purple means? Gold, guys, gold. There is gold. Whatever you want, the gold is in that rock. That rock contains the gold. You see? So right now I be leaving, let him settle down on the bottom, and we be waiting till this reaction finishes. And because gold normally dissolves last, so we have gold here. We will see, do we have gold over here in this solution when the last pieces of pyrite get dissolved. But solution is not clear. You see, it's have something else, maybe silver, maybe something. So it's our goal to figure out what we have in this solution. But what I can say, this contains a gold. Was purple, and then after get dark, but it's very, you see, can't even see nothing cross. So something else there, silver can be. That silver always makes me problems. See, when you see those little bubbles, it means still you have something inside the solution which is right now dissolving. See reaction? Something is going on over here. And at the bottom, I don't see nothing too much. Let him work. Okay? We will look it a little bit later. So I'm getting a little bit more happy. I'm getting more happy. But we need to figure out what is in this solution. Ooh. It's interesting, guys. It's interesting. And this kind of work. Is it a regular rock? Okay. But in this place, I saw something suspicious. So I got little piece, crush it, I got results. This got the dissolving. And this is good sign. So we need to figure out how to get the gold out from this rock. And that, another mine, and then quartz is a lot of quartz in that mine. First mine, where was pirates, like always pirates don't have nothing. Like I say, I but the pirates is here too, but they mixed with the gold. So we will see. If I get the good results over here, I crush this whole rock, try to do the panic, and we be dissolving just heavy material. Okay, so right now let him work. And solution looks nice, not red like first one where was pirates, was red and we didn't have any gold. Here we have good result, so we'll see. Okay, let me work. So I need to move out from the garage because I need to raise the temperature, dissolve everything. So I outside, and you see I make a higher temperature. Now glass is coming, but I don't breathe that thing. So I wait till everything stops, and then we go back to testing. Okay. So I finished with the dissolving, and I try to filtrate. Let's see what's happening. I want to filtrate, and then we continue with the styrene chloride or whatever. And right now I still see something in the middle, so I need to wash everything and see what we have here. Okay, this is what I need to little bit take that concentrate to have more stuff for myself, for my testings. Okay, rest of everything I need to wash it and look in the microscope. So right now filtrating, want to get a little bit clean because this is still blurry, and then we try to do styrene chloride participation, which is put styrene chloride in. Styrene chloride don't lie, and if there is gold we get something on the bottom. Okay, and all those from those test tubes I transfer everything in here, add water, and I waiting till everything settles down, then I do again test on that. But it's the same thing, so we'll see which one works better for us. I just want to get clean solution, so it takes forever here. Okay, so let him work very slowly. So I finish filtrating, and I right now try to do styrene chloride test. It's like participation with styrene chloride. I add more styrene chloride, and we'll see do this have gold or not. Okay, there's some kind of change in color. It's not a big concentration, but solution getting like a purple or something. So let's see what we can get from this thing. It's not a lot, It's very little amount, but there is something. So I put stannous chloride, let him test, and I want to see after a while how much stuff we get on the bottom of those bottles. Okay, the solution change the color. Looks like little purplish, but I can say that this very little something. Okay, okay, and let's wait right now. In like 3-4 hours we will see what is on the bottom, and then we decide what to do with this rock. Okay, but so far there is something, but very little amount. Okay,